Welcome. This is how to fix Instagram highlight loading problem. So guys, if you have a problem with your highlights on Instagram, it means there is some errors. So first, you have to reset the app. So in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now here, just simply scroll down a little bit and go for the apps over here. Now, here on the apps, just simply scroll down until you find Instagram, or you could just simply go ahead and use the search icon on the top right corner if you cannot find it. And now tap on the app, and after that, just simply tap on the storage. And now from here, as you can see down below, we should have two options. So when you go for clear cache, sometimes this fixes the issue, but if it doesn't, and if you want to totally reset the application, you can just simply go to clear data down below, as you can see over here. And now, as you can see, we have a warning that this will delete the data on the application permanently. So you can just simply tap on OK. And after that, you should be able to fix your Instagram. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.